Hello children, have you all completed the homework? Okay, in the last class we have learned 5-digit numbers, 6-digit numbers. Which is the greatest 6-digit number? Yes, 9 lakh, 99,999. Yes, it is the 9,99,999. This is the greatest 6-digit number. That is, in all the 6 places 9 is coming. Okay, then what number comes after this greatest 6-digit number? Let's see. I am going to add 1 to the greatest 6-digit number. How we are adding this? First, we want to add the numbers in the ones place. Here, you know, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000 and lakh place. So, in the ones place, 9 and 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So, we want to write 0 here and 1 as carryover. Next, again 9 plus 1, there is no number here. So, 9 plus 1 carryover. So, 10. We want to write 0 here and again 1 carryover. Same process, 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carryover. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carryover. 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 1 carryover, and at last also 9 plus 1, it's 10. So, write 10 here itself. Look here children, when we add 1 to the greatest 6-digit number, we got the answer. How many digits are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got a 7-digit number, and children, this is the smallest 7-digit number. This is the smallest 7-digit number. This is the smallest 7-digit number, and this number we can read it as 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh. What is the spelling of lakh? Tell me. L-A-K-H. Yes, 10 lakh. Also, we can represent this number in the place value chart. Let's see. How many digits are there? 7 digits. So, how many places will be there? 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, here, which are the places from the right? First, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, and from the right, the 7th new position, we can new place, we can denote it as TL, and children, this TL stands for 10 lakh place. TL stands for 10 lakh place. Okay. So, here we have the smallest 7-digit number. We can read this number as 10 lakh, and we have the new place, new 7th place from the right side. It is 10 lakh place, and we can denote it as TL. Okay, so let's write the digit. In the ones place, 0, tens place, 0, 100 place, 0, 1,000 place, 0, 10,000 place, 0, lakh place, 0, and in the 10 lakh place 1. Okay. Next, let's see how we can represent this number on the abacus. How many places? 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 places are there. Which are the places? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, here up to lakh place 0 is the digit. So no beads are there, and in the 10 lakh place 1. So only 1 bead in the 10 lakh place. Okay, so here we saw 7 digit number, smallest 7 digit number, and how it reads and its place value chart and also abacus representation. So children, we studied 7 digits numbers. In the last class we studied 5 digit numbers, 6 digit number, and now we studied 7 digit numbers. Okay, next we are going to learn how we can read and write large numbers. That is, here we studied numbers up to 7 digit no. So we are going to learn how to read and write 7 digit numbers. Okay, in India we are using Indian number system. We are using Indian number system for reading and writing 7 digit numbers. Okay, this Indian number system we can call it also Hindu Arabic system of numeration. Hindu Arabic system of numeration. Look here children, what I have? What is this? I have Indian place value chart here. Indian place value chart. We are using this place value chart for reading and writing large numbers, that is numbers up to 7 digit. We already learned 7 places. Which are the places? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So look here, in places I have written ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So for reading and writing large numbers, we are dividing these places into 3 groups called periods. For reading and writing large numbers, we are dividing these groups into 3 periods. First, ones period, thousand period and lakh period. Here, first 3 places, ones, tens and hundred places forms ones period, 1,000 and 10,000 place forms thousand period, and lakhs and 10 lakh places forms lakh period. Look here children, here we have ones period, thousand period and lakh period. Ones, tens and hundred place forms ones period, 1,000 and 10,000 places forms thousand period, and lakh and 10 lakh place forms lakh period. Okay, so while reading and writing numbers, the digits in the same period we are reading together. The digits in the same period we are reading together, and also we want to the name of the period except once we are reading along with them. Okay children, so let's do some examples, then the concept will be more clear to you. Okay, I am going to write one. Before that, while writing the number name, we want to put comma to before after each period. For separating each period, we are putting commas. Okay, let's see in the example. First, I am going to write a 5-digit number here. 5 Look here children, this is a 5-digit number. This is a 5-digit number. Which are the places? Which are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000. Which are the places? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand and 10,000. Here we all know that first 3 places forms ones period. So after ones period, put a comma. Put a comma. Then here this is 1,000 and 10,000 forms 1,000 period. So it's like this. Then how we are writing the number name? Here look, we want to write the digits in the same period. We are writing together. This is in the ones period and this 1,000 period. 1 and 3 comes in the 1,000 period. So you want to read together. So 1, 3 makes 13. 13 and you want to write the name of the period after. So 13,000. 13,000. Then here 456. 13,456. 56. Okay. Next, let's do one more example. Look here children, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 6-digit number. Which are the places? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. So here ones, tens and hundred forms ones period. So put a comma here and after that 1,000 and 10,000 forms 1,000 period. So put a comma here 2 in the lakh place. Okay, so how we are writing this number? This only 2 in the lakh place. So write 2 lakh. 2 lakh. What is the spelling of lakh? L-A-K-H. Then here in the 1,000 period 4 and 8, that is 48. So 48. Which period is that? 48,000. 48,000. 48,000 and in the ones period 978. That is 978. Okay, let's do 2 more examples. Okay, I am going to write a 7-digit number. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a 7-digit number. And which are the places? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. I have already put commas here. Comma after the ones period and comma after the 1,000 period. How we are writing the number name? In the lakh period we have 19. We want to read the number together. That is 19. Which is the period? Lakh. 19 lakh. Then 87 in the 1,000 period. So 87. 87 87,000, 87,000, and this is 546. 546. So, children, this is how we are writing the number name of a 7-digit number. Okay, all of you take your textbook, page number 46. You have exercise 2 here. This first one, write the number names in Indian system. First two, A and B, do it as homework. Okay, children, I hope all of you understand the concept. Okay, children, thank you.